Have you ever wondered what happens at the border between two ancient kingdoms? It's not just a line on a map. Along the Cambodia-Thailand border, it's a living, breathing tapestry of shared history and culture. Today, we're journeying to these unique border villages, where Thai and Cambodian worlds have beautifully merged into one. Let's step back in time. For centuries, this region was a dynamic frontier between the mighty Khmer Empire, centered at Angkor, and the emerging Siamese kingdoms like Sukhothai and Ayutthaya. It wasn't a rigid boundary like we see today. Instead, it was a fluid zone where power, people, and ideas ebbed and flowed. Great cities like Battambang and Sisophon in Cambodia, and Aranyaprathet, Surin, and Buram in Thailand weren't just neighbors. They were part of a vast, interconnected cultural landscape. This constant exchange created something truly special. For generations, people migrated across this porous border for trade, for farming, or to seek new opportunities. Merchants carried goods, monks traveled between temples, and families intermarried, weaving a complex social fabric. Over time, distinct communities emerged that were neither entirely Thai nor entirely Khmer, but a beautiful blend of both. They became the living heart of this shared heritage, embodying a unity that transcends modern political lines. One of the most fascinating results of this blending is language. If you travel through Thailand's Surin or Buram provinces, you'll hear a unique language spoken, Khmer Surin, also known as Northern Khmer. It's a dialect of the Khmer language, spoken by millions of Thai citizens of Khmer descent. It's a powerful, living testament to the deep historical roots that connect these people to their Cambodian ancestry. This shared language means a Thai farmer from Surin can often have a conversation with a Cambodian farmer from across the border, sharing stories, jokes, and experiences in a language that binds them together. Now, let's talk about architecture. The magnificent temples scattered across this region tell a story in stone. You can see the undeniable influence of Angkorian design, with its intricate carvings, towering prangs, and grand causeways. But as you look closer, you'll also notice features that echo early Thai artistic styles from kingdoms like Ayutthaya. Temples in Buram, like the stunning Phantom Rung, are perfect examples. They stand as powerful symbols of this architectural fusion. Built by people who revered both the spiritual traditions of the Khmer Empire and the rising influence of their Siamese neighbors, these sacred sites weren't just places of worship. They were cultural melting pots. At the heart of life here is the rice paddy. The rhythm of planting and harvesting has shaped daily existence for centuries on both sides of the border. This shared agricultural lifestyle comes with a rich set of shared spiritual beliefs. Before Buddhism became dominant, animism, the belief that spirits inhabit the natural world, was deeply ingrained in the local culture. Today, you'll still find these ancient beliefs woven into daily life. Farmers on both sides make offerings to land spirits for a good harvest, and village elders perform rituals to appease guardian spirits of the forest and water. These practices, passed down through generations, are a beautiful reminder of a time when people lived in deep harmony with their environment. a belief system that predates national identities. And of course, what is culture without its vibrant expressions? The daily life in these border villages is filled with shared traditions. The music often features instruments common to both Thai and Cambodian classical ensembles. The graceful movements of traditional dances tell the same epic tales from the Ramayana, known as the Rimkur in Cambodia and the Ramakin in Thailand. And the food. Oh, the food is a delicious blend of flavors. You'll find dishes that use the same herbs, spices, and cooking techniques, like fermented fish paste, which is a staple in both cuisines. From wedding ceremonies to funeral rites, the rituals that mark the major milestones of life share striking similarities, showcasing the common understanding of community, family, and the cycle of life. Of course, the history between these two nations hasn't always been peaceful. There have been periods of conflict and tension, with armies marching across these very lands. But what's remarkable is how the people in these border villages managed to maintain a sense of peaceful coexistence. Their loyalties were often more local than national. They were connected by family ties, trade dependencies, and a shared way of life that was more important than the political squabbles of distant capitals. Their resilience lies in their ability to focus on what unites them rather than what divides them. They learn to navigate complex political landscapes while preserving their unique cultural identity. Today, the people of these borderlands are the proud custodians of this incredible heritage. In an increasingly globalized world, they are working hard to keep their traditions alive. Grandparents teach their grandchildren the Northern Khmer dialect. Artisans continue to weave intricate silk patterns unique to the region. And communities come together to celebrate festivals that have been observed for centuries. They are actively preserving their music, their dance, their stories, and their spiritual practices. They understand that their unique culture is a precious gift, a testament to the strength and adaptability of their ancestors. So why do these villages matter so much? Because they show us a different way of seeing the world. They prove that borders don't have to be barriers. They are a powerful example of unity in diversity, of cultural fusion born not from conquest, but from centuries of shared life. These communities represent resilience, the ability to withstand historical storms and emerge with a stronger, richer identity. They remind us that at the end of the day, we are all connected by our shared humanity. The story of the Thai-Cambodian border villages is a story of peace, friendship, and the beautiful things that can happen when cultures meet. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you found this story as inspiring as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from the crossroads of culture. See you next time.